Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the lot calculator indicator for MT5. You can download this indicator by the link in the description below. To run this indicator, simply drag the lot calculator indicator from the indicator list to your MT5 chart. I also want to recommend you an indicator that shows levels where other retail traders placed their stop-loss orders. The price is very likely to interact with these levels. This can be seen on a historical chart. The best way to use this indicator is to sneak your take profit into such stop-loss clusters. Thus it will be triggered with a higher probability. And if your position is opposite, you can try to avoid placing your stop-loss orders in such a cluster. In this case, decreasing the probability it will be triggered. Simple and brilliant. Try this indicator for free using the link in the description below. Along with stop-loss clusters, you will also get 7 other sentiment indicators. Lot calculator is an MT5 indicator that tells you amount of risk each trade has. You can apply an indicator to calculate the percentage of risk on open positions. The lot calculator indicator is one of the most unique you can find. It indicates the account balance, floating point number, percentage, and leverage and total risk per trade. Whether you go long or short, the indicator minimizes your risk every time you enter a trade. Whenever you open a position, the indicator will mention two floating points of interest rate risk account. So whenever you lose or win, the indicator will help you manage your risk level. So how to trade with the lot calculator indicator? The indicator is not typical MT5 indicator. It doesn't give you buy or sell points. Instead, it simply indicates the risk level of each trade, thereby reducing your chances of high risk. You need to combine the indicator with other technical indicators such as RSI or moving average for long and short positions. Let's look at the buy and sell strategy for a lot calculator indicator with RSI. Buying strategy. RSI level must be below 30. Wait for the trend to continue and enter a long trade after confirming an uptrend. Place your stop loss below the recent swing low, and specify take profit when the RSI goes over 70. Otherwise, you can find more indicators and strategies on our website indicatorspot.com by the description below. In the indicator settings, we can change the stop loss distance, free margin and points, and lastly, you can simulate the values. The lot calculator indicator doesn't tell you about the entry and exit points, rather it tells you risk on each trade. So when combined with other indicators, it is really useful to limit exposure to risk. Moreover, you can download this indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye.